Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how you can change your controls in Minecraft PE or mobile, so if you are interested then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to change your controls mode in Minecraft, it's actually pretty easy. So for the first step, I want you to go to the menu at the top. And once you're on the menu, next, go to Settings. And now that you're on Settings, scroll down until you find the touch option. Once you've found it, just go and tap it. And here on touch, you will now be able to see the control mode, which is where you can change your controller. So to do it, just tap the Change Control Mode button right here. And then you will now be able to see 3 different control options you can select. And there will also be a preview on how they will look, so just select what you prefer. In my case, I will choose the D-pad. And once you've selected the controller you like, you can now tap Select to completely change your controls. And after that, it's done. Congratulations! You have now changed your Minecraft controls. And so that's just how you do it, guys. Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.